Welcome back to BLUETTI support. Meet the Balco 260, a flexible plug-and-play energy system built for your home. Let's get it set up together. Skim the instructions first. It'll save you time later. Alright, here we go. First, check that everything's in the box and nothing's damaged. The system is simple by design. One button, one display, you always know what's going on. Grab your tools and accessories and make sure your setup spot is ready. You can connect up to 5 BC260 batteries. For this demo, we'll keep it simple. One unit with one battery. Make sure your Wi-Fi is solid. Place the unit close to the wall, leaving enough space for airflow. Next, remove the bottom cover. Align the matching ports, and stack the unit directly onto the BC260 battery. Attach the L-shaped bracket with an M5 screw. Don't tighten it all the way yet. Mark a hole on the wall, rotate the bracket down, and drill your hole. Insert the expansion bolt. Rotate the bracket back and tighten everything into place. Secure the grounding cable. Let's hook up your solar. Before moving on, check that all ports are dry. Safety first. For a single panel, plug it straight into one PV input set. Use an extension cable if you need more reach. For 2 panels, connect them with a parallel cable first, then plug into the same PV input set. If using third-party cables, stick with standard 4 square millimeters, rated for 20 amps. Go ahead and connect to the grid. Plug the bidirectional AC power cable into the AC grid port for both input and output. You can also power your devices directly. Plug into the AC output, press the power button, and you're live. All set, your Balco 260 system is ready. Follow us or visit our website for more. See you next time.